In this video, I will show you how to add music to Instagram Reels. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to tap on this plus sign right here. And as you can see, it already directs me to Reels. The next thing to do is to tap on cameras. And as you can see, I can already add the music onto my Reels as I record it. So if I want to add the music, let's say I want to add this, I can already add it. Now, as I record, music will play, and it will stop as well. So if I continue to record, the song will play. Now, if I'm done, all I have to do is to tap on next. The good thing here is that I also have this power to tap on this icon right here and then click on control. Now I can control the volume of the sound or the volume of the clips I have already took. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!